Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making chutneys. These three tangy, spicy, salty and sweet chutneys are simple to make and are my favorite. You can whip these chutneys in no time. They go very well as dipping sauces for chips, samosas, kebabs and bhajias, and the tamarind and ginger chutney is a must for all types of chaats: chaat papri, chana chaat, fruit chaat and dahi balas. First, I'm going to make the tomato, onion and fresh coriander chutney. For that, I have taken a handful of fresh coriander, one large tomato, half of a medium onion or you can have one small onion, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoons chilli flakes, 6 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1/3 cup of white vinegar and some water to thin the sauce. To make this chutney, I've added all the ingredients to a blender jar and now I'm going to grind it into a smooth paste. And here you have it. Our tomato, onion and coriander chutney is ready. This chutney goes very well with all kinds of kebabs. And it will last in the fridge for up to 4 weeks. The second chutney is the most commonly made chutney. It's made with the fresh coriander, mint and green chilies. I have here 1.5 cups of chopped fresh coriander along with stems, 3 large green chilies, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 teaspoons roasted and ground cumin, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, handful of fresh mint leaves. I'm using half of a Macintosh apple, any apple will do, 1/4 cup vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt, and I will use some water as I need it. In this chutney, you can omit the vinegar. I use it to increase the shelf life. Without the vinegar, this chutney will last in the fridge maybe less than a week. I'm adding all the ingredients of the green chutney to a blender jar along with 1 tablespoon of water, and then I'm going to blend it to a smooth paste. And here, our chutney is ready. This chutney goes very well with all kinds of bhajias and samosas. The third chutney that I'm making is imli ki chutney, imli being tamarind. I have taken 100 grams from a 400 gram slab of tamarind and soaked it in 1 cup of water for 2 to 3 hours. The rest of the ingredients include 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon ginger powder, and another cup of water. I will now pass the soaked tamarind through a strainer and set the juice aside. To the remaining solids, I'm adding 1 cup of water and then blending it to a smooth paste. I will strain the pureed tamarind again to get rid of any fibers. After straining it, I'm left with almost 1.5 cups of tamarind juice. To that, I'm adding the ginger powder, salt, and the chili powder. At this time, I'm adding only half the amount of sugar. The sauce will thicken when it's cooked, so we don't want to end up with too much sugar. So at this time, I'm adding only half, and then I will taste and see if I need any more. I have placed a small saucepan on medium-low heat and I'm going to add all the ingredients to the pot. I will let the sauce cook on medium-low until it comes to a boil and then I will reduce the heat to low. The sauce has been cooking on low heat for about half an hour now, and in between I have been stirring it and I did taste it and I added 1/4 cup of sugar. So the total amount of sugar that went into this sauce is 3/4 cups. This is the perfect consistency that I need because the sauce will thicken as it cools. This sauce will last in the fridge for up to 6 months. After cooling, the chutney has thickened considerably. I like this consistency. If you want a thinner sauce, then add a little bit of more water or reduce the cooking time. Now you can use this chutney on any kind of chaats: chaat papri, chana chaat, fruit chaat, and dahi balas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and by pressing the bell icon button, you will get notifications of my new recipes. Enjoy!